Start. Hmm. Yes, mute the microphone. Find the maximum. Find the maximum and minimum point of intersection with 3 lines and 4 lines. You have to find the maximum point of intersection and minimum point of intersection with 3 lines. Question number 12. Question number 12. Find the maximum and minimum point of intersection. Find the maximum and minimum point of intersection with 3 lines. Second, B is 4 lines. Also draw the figure in each case. Good morning. Find the maximum and minimum point of intersection with 3 lines and 4 lines. With 3 lines and 4 lines. So first we'll consider. No. In the notebook you have to do. In the notebook. Because you have to draw the diagram in this. So I want this to be written in the. 1 minute. I want this to be written, now it is clear, right? I want this to be written in the notebook. Now it is clear. Find the maximum and minimum point of intersection with 3 lines, 4 lines. Also draw the figure in each case. Clear? Find the maximum and minimum point of intersection with 3 lines. First case is 3 lines. B is 4 lines. Also draw the figure in each case. So let us consider 3 lines first. So first we will see what is the maximum point of intersection. So you write maximum point of intersection. Maximum point of intersection that we'll see first case. For 3 lines we consider maximum point of intersection. So you can consider 3 lines. Just now we have seen the previous diagram. This is my line L. This is my line M. This is my line L. This is my line M. Now you can draw the third line. Yes. This is my line L. So there are 3 lines. For 3 lines, 3 lines are there. No, L, M, and N. There are 3 lines. No, where I have written even. A is 3 line. No, A is 3 line. No. No, it will not be C. I am solving A part. I am solving A part. 3-line case, no. I am solving A part. 3 lines. We are doing the case 3 lines. Maximum point of intersection now we have to find. There are 3 lines, line L, line M, and line N. These 3 points, this is point of intersection A, this is point of intersection B, and this is point of intersection C. So when 3 lines intersect each other, see here, line L, line L is intersected by line L is intersected by line M and N. Now it is clear, right? This is my line L. This is intersected by M and N. So there are 3 lines, L, M, N. These 3 lines intersect each other at point A, B, C. So right, maximum point of intersection is 3. Maximum point of intersection is 3 point. Maximum points of intersection. Maximum point of intersection is 3 points, that is A comma B comma C. Maximum point of intersection are 3 points, and the points are A, B, C. So 3 points are there. Maximum point of intersection are 3 points. Maximum point of intersection are 3 points. When 3 lines intersect each other, the maximum point of intersection is 3. The maximum point of intersection see, all the 3 lines intersect each other, so maximum point of intersection is 3 points, and the points are ABC. Are you getting? This ABC we write in the bracket. ABC we write in the bracket. So when 3 lines intersect each other, the maximum point of intersection, so that will be the minimum case, no? Minimum case for 3 lines. When all the 3 lines meet at one point, that will be the minimum case of point of intersection, no? For maximum point of intersection for 3 lines, line L, M, N, they intersect each other at 3 different points, A, B, C. L and M is the point of intersection A. For L and N, point of intersection is B. For N and M, the point of intersection is C. Now let us consider minimum point of intersection. Let us consider minimum point of intersection for 3 lines. Let us consider minimum point of intersection for 3 lines. Now there are 3 lines, L, M, and you can consider N. There are 3 lines, L, M, N. All the 3 lines, they meet each other at one common point O. So minimum point of intersection is for 3 lines is, yes, minimum point of intersection, you can consider this as, instead of O you take this as P. Chalo. You should not get confused that O is same as 0, no. So P is the point of intersection. P is the point of intersection for all the 3 lines. P is the point of intersection. P is the point of intersection of all the 3 lines. Is it clear? So when 3 lines intersect, see here, when 3 lines intersect, we have the line L. This is my line L. This is my line M, and this is my line N. All the 3 lines, they intersect each other at one common point P. So for 3 lines, the minimum point of intersection is 1, and for 3 lines, the maximum point of intersection is no, my dear, it is coming clear. So right, minimum point of intersection. Yes, you see the adjustment. Minimum point. Wait. Let me see, no. Let me check the setting. It is clear. Yes. You see the adjustment. See the adjustment of your phone. Minimum point of intersection is 3. Minimum point of intersection is 1 point. When 3 lines meet each other at one common point P, the minimum point of intersection is 1 point. when three lines intersect each other, the maximum point of intersection is 3 points. Is one point, that is point P. So this was the case for three. This is the case for three lines. You have to understand. For three lines, when three lines intersect each other, what is the maximum point of intersection? And when three lines intersect each other, what is the minimum point of intersection that we have to find? Let me revise this part. Three lines, maximum point of intersection. There are three lines, line L, line M and line N. Line M and line L. Fourth point, no? Yes. 4 line we will do afterwards. We are doing for 3 lines, remember. This is mute the microphone. Please mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. For 3 lines, maximum point of intersection, line M, line L, line N. They intersect each other. Line M and L, they intersect each other at A. Line L and line N, they intersect each other at B. Line M and line N, they intersect each other at C. So for 3 line, maximum point of intersection is 3 different points. That is point ABC. When for minimum, yes, ask it out. No, they are not forward. They are the notation for line. See, this N is the line, L is the line, M is the line. Now point of intersections are A, B, C. This red color alphabet denotes point of intersection, where the 2 lines meet each other. No, my dear, I have done for 3 lines. The same thing I have to do for 4 lines. After the portion gets over, I will discuss. First, let me focus. First, let me complete this 3 line and 4 line. This is what we have done for 3 line. So this side is over. Let me check. Yes. No. It is coming clear, right? Now, see here for 3 lines. Again I am revising. We have enough time. Line M, line L, and line N. They intersect each other at 3 different points. Line M and L, they intersect at A. Line L and line N intersect at B. Line N and line M intersect at C. So for 3 lines, the maximum point of intersection is 3 points. Similarly, for 3 lines, the minimum point of intersection, for minimum point of intersection, wait, you can say, for minimum point of intersection for 3 lines, can we say that the line LMN, they are concurrent line? Yes or no? The line LMN are concurrent line? Yes or no? Because all the 3 lines, they meet each other at one common point P. Whenever 3 or more than 3 lines meet each other at one common point, then those lines are said to be concurrent line. So for minimum point of intersection, the lines L, M, N, they are concurrent lines. Yes. Because we want to find the maximum point of intersection and minimum point of intersection for 3 lines. So 3 lines, the minimum point of intersection, the line L, M, N, they intersect each other at point P. So we have seen the definition of concurrent line. We have seen the definition of concurrent line. When 3 or more lines are concurrent, 3 or more lines are concurrent when they intersect each other at one common point. So the line L, M, N, they intersect each other at P. So for minimum point of intersection for 3 line is 1 point, and that point is nothing but 3 That point P is the point P is the point of concurrence. Point P is the intersecting, point P is the intersection or point of concurrence. Because see, no, see, you want to find minimum point of intersection. So you will get minimum point of intersection whenever all the three lines, they will intersect each other at minimum point. At minimum point, those three lines should intersect each other. So all the three lines, they intersect each other at minimum point, and that minimum point is 1. That minimum common point is 1. Now let us do B part for 4 lines. For 4 lines, you have to find maximum point of intersection. For 4 lines, you have to find maximum point of intersection. Maximum point of intersection. Maximum point of intersection. Yes. So you will draw the same diagram. Let us consider line L. Let us consider line L. Then line M. Let us consider line L. 1 minute. Line M. 1 minute. Line L. No, it is coming clear. Line L, line M. You keep the phone horizontally, no? Line L, line M, line N. Let us take another line, N. So now, so far we have considered 3 lines. So far we have considered 3 lines, yes or no? Line L, line M, Arey, wait, no, I have to draw one more line, no? Where I have finished? Have I finished? We have to consider 4 lines, no? Line L, line L, line M, line L. Yes. Now you consider another line. You consider another line. You can consider another line intersecting. You can consider another line intersecting. This is line L, M, N. You can take line P. You can take line P, no problem. You can take upper one also. See, I have taken. You can take. I have taken the line. Yes. You can use. So now name them. You can name the point of intersection. This is my A. This is my A. This is my B. This is my C. This is my D. This is my E. Then this is my F. This is my F. Yes. So when how many points? How many points are there? For 4 lines are there, no? P. I have written this as my line P. This is my line P. So when 4 lines are intersecting each other, how many points of intersection are there? 1, A, C, D, E, B, F. How many points of intersection are there? Yes. How many? 6. There are 6 points of intersection. All the 6 points I have shown in the red color. So write maximum point of intersection is 4. Right, is 6. Right. Maximum point of, yes, maximum point of intersection. Wait, it is clear. Maximum point of intersection. Maximum point of intersection is 6. Is 6. 6 points. What are 6 points? Yes, A, B, C, D, E and F. That red color points are nothing but the point of intersection. that red color points are the point of intersection. My dear, it is coming. You see the adjustment of your phone, no? Because it is visible to others properly. See the internet connectivity, everything. So for four lines, the maximum point of intersection is 6. Now let us consider yes. See here, you can take 3 lines anyway, no? You can take 3 lines, see, you can take this line as L, wait, this line as L, this line as M, and this line as N, this is my line N, then you can take one more line, this is my line L, you can take one more line, this is my line P, you can take the points, A, B, C, D, E, F, no harm, you can take the diagram in any way. Is it clear? This is my line L, this is my line M, this is my line N, this is my line P. Is 6. Yeah, maximum point of intersection. No. See here, this diagram I have drawn for this. Just now somebody said that you draw another diagram. So this is another diagram I have drawn for 6 point of intersection. Four lines. There also I have 4 lines. L, M, N and P. That fourth line, see here, where that fourth line you will draw passing through intersecting 2 lines. Fourth line you have to draw intersecting 2 lines. Now we will do the minimum point of intersection. Now we will solve for minimum point of intersection. Let us draw the minimum point of intersection of 4 lines. This is my one line L. This is M. Write down M. Draw this. Mute the microphone. Yes, LMN. Then this is my line P. Now 4 lines are there. They intersect each other at one common point. That is my point A. That common point is my common point A. This is my point A. So 4 lines intersect each other at one common point P. So write lines L, M, N, P are, yes, tell me, what are the lines L, M, N, P? They are concurrent lines. Yes or no? They are concurrent lines. When 3 or more than 3 lines meet each other at one common point, then the lines are said to be concurrent line. For concurrent lines, there is one and only one point of intersection. For concurrent lines, there is one and only one point of intersection. So write lines L, M, N, and P are concurrent lines. And the minimum point of intersection and the minimum point of intersection is 1. That is, you write point A. Point A is the point of intersection of these 4 lines. So whenever 4 lines intersect each other, maximum point of intersection is 6 and minimum point of intersection is 1. For minimum point, the 4 line becomes concurrent lines. For minimum point of intersection, 4 line becomes the concurrent lines. And for concurrent line, the minimum point of intersection is 3. we have seen for 3 line also. Yes. Lines L, M and P are concurrent lines and the minimum point of intersection is 1. In bracket I have written point A. Point A is the point A is wait. See here, I am going to give few problem for no, not revision. Revision will start from tomorrow onwards. Now in 10 minutes I have to give few problem to you for practice. You have to practice this problem and send me for checking. So write practice problem. Write down this chapter. It is clear, no? Yes, it is clear. Now write down practice problem. Practice. Yes. In maths notebook only. You have to write in maths note. This complete. Yes. 10.2. Write down. No. You don't leave. Wait. Last 10 minutes are there. Start solving this. This you can consider practice problem. Practice problem. Wait, no, my dear. I have to give practice problem. Where? No. Yes. Wait. And now it is clear, right? Practice. Yes. Right. Practice problems. Now it is clear, right? Practice problem. First, write on this. We are given the line AB. My dear, this is homework. Line AB. Wait, no. Line AB, and we are given line PQ. Now write down the question. Is line AB, write down, is line AB parallel to line PQ? Is line AB parallel to line PQ? Give reasons. My dear, we have seen, no. You are given the line AB, you are given the line PQ. My question is, yes, they are two different lines. That is what I am asking, whether the lines are parallel or intersecting. Whether AB is parallel to line PQ. See here. Wait. It is showing very much clear. When you extend the line further, they will intersect, no? See, when you will extend the line further, when you will extend the line further, they will cut each other, no? They will cut each other. Yes, so they are not parallel lines. They are not parallel lines, because when you will extend further, the lines, see here. They are, yes. You will write, no, line AB is not parallel to line PQ, because line AB and line PQ, when extended further, they meet each other at C, or they are intersecting line when you will extend, because see the concept of line. Line has arrow at both the end. Arrow means that end can be extended further. So when the line is extended further, both the lines cut each other at point C. So if the line meet each other at point C, that means they are intersecting line. So if they are intersecting line, they are not parallel lines. This is my one question. Now, you have to write down the region, because this I want you to practice. How much you have understood, about parallel line, that we have to check. Now second question. You have to write down the region. I had explained you. But you have to write down the detailed solution, no? You have to write down the detailed solution. Now write. Yes. Now write. Let us take second. Now you are given, draw this PQRST, yes. Now in this, identify the pair of parallel lines. Identify the pair of parallel lines. You have to identify the pair of parallel lines. You have to write down which lines are parallel. Understood? That you see which lines are parallel. Now let us take another. We are given a triangle. In this bigger triangle we have smaller triangle. You can take the bigger triangle as ABC and smaller triangle as PQR. Right? Identify the parallel lines. Identify the parallel pair of, just add this pair of parallel lines. Identify the pair of parallel lines in this. So this problem you have to practice, because I have taught you the concept of congruent lines, collinear. No, it is there. Congruent line, collinear points. So you have to identify. Now next is then fourth, you are given the triangle. This is my PQR. Then this is my ABC, correct? Now in this, identify the pair of collinear points. Identify the pair of collinear points. Yes. There are three lines, no? You could take the line QR, then there are 3 points QBR, then fifth one, with identify, my dear, it is clear, no? Identify which lines intersecting, yes, but which lines are intersecting, perpendicular bisector, perpendicular or perpendicular bisector, yes, mute the microphone. perpendicular or perpendicular bisectors. Perpendicular or perpendicular bisector, that yes, identify. Wait, you are given the line. This is my line L, and this is my line. This is my line. This is my line M. They intersect each other at point O. Point O, it is 90 degree. So you have to identify whether they are perpendicular or perpendicular bisector. Both the line meet each other at point O. At point O, 90 degree angle is formed. So you have to identify whether the lines are perpendicular lines or they are perpendicular bisector. Now wait, last question. Last question. Identify which lines are intersecting perpendicular or perpendicular bisector. Those you have to identify. AB is the line. Then we have CD. We have line CD. Now AB and CD, they are perpendicular to each other at point O. Then OA, then OC. OC is same as OD. So which line is perpendicular by, whether the lines are perpendicular bisector? No, these two are. This is fifth A part. This is fifth B part. Both are fifth one. Yes, both are fifth one. So this much you have to practice. Both are fifth one. Yes, you have written. Do practice of this problem. Yes, bye. Yes, do practice of this. I will upload this. I will upload this video on the YouTube. You can see it. Yes, two diagrams are there in fifth.